سورة التغابن.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
يسبح لله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض له الملك وله الحمد وهو على كل شيء قدير.
Whatsoever is in the heavens and whatsoever is on the earth glorifies Allah. His is the dominion, and to Him belong all the praises and thanks, and He is able to do all things.
هو الذي خلقكم فمنكم كافر ومنكم مؤمن والله بما تعملون بصير.
He it is who created you. Then some of you are disbelievers and some of you are believers. And Allah is all-seer of what you do.
خلق السماوات والأرض بالحق وصوركم فأحسن صوركم وإليه المصير.
He has created the heavens and the earth with truth, and He shaped you and made good your shapes. And to Him is the final return.
يعلم ما في السماوات والأرض ويعلم ما تسرون وما تعلنون والله عليم بذات الصدور.
He knows what is in the heavens and on the earth, and He knows what you conceal and what you reveal. And Allah is the all-knower of what is in the breasts.
ألم يأتكم نبأ الذين كفروا من قبل فذاقوا وبال أمرهم ولهم عذاب أليم.
Has not the news reached you of those who disbelieved aforetime? And so they tasted the evil result of their disbelief, and theirs will be a painful torment.
ذلك بأنه كانت تأتيهم رسلهم بالبينات فقالوا أبشر يهدوننا فكفروا وتولوا واستغنى الله والله غني حميد.
That was because there came to them their messengers with clear proofs. But they said, shall mere men guide us? So they disbelieved and turned away from the truth. But Allah was not in need of them, and Allah is rich, worthy of all praise.
زعم الذين كفروا أن لن يبعثوا قل بلى وربي لتبعثن ثم لتنبؤن بما عملتم وذلك على الله يسير.
The disbelievers pretend that they will never be resurrected for the account. Say, yes, by my Lord you will certainly be resurrected. Then you will be informed of and recompensed for what you did, and that is easy for Allah.
فآمنوا بالله ورسوله والنور الذي أنزلنا والله بما تعملون خبير.
Therefore, believe in Allah and His Messenger, and in the light which we have sent down, and Allah is all aware of what you do.
يوم يجمعكم ليوم الجمع ذلك يوم التغابن ومن يؤمن بالله ويعمل صالحا يكفر عنه سيئاته ويدخله جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها أبدا ذلك الفوز العظيم.
And remember the day when He will gather you all on the day of gathering. That will be the day of mutual loss and gain. And whosoever believes in Allah and performs righteous good deeds, He will expiate from him his sins and will admit him to gardens under which rivers flow. to dwell therein forever. That will be the great success.
والذين كفروا وكذبوا بآياتنا أولئك أصحاب النار خالدين فيها وبئس المصير.
But those who disbelieved in the oneness of Allah and denied our proofs and revelations, they will be the dwellers of the fire, to dwell therein forever. And worst indeed is that destination.
ما أصاب من مصيبة إلا بإذن الله ومن يؤمن بالله يهد قلبه والله بكل شيء عليم.
No calamity befalls but by the leave of Allah, and whosoever believes in Allah, He guides his heart, and Allah is the all-knower of everything.
وأطيعوا الله وأطيعوا الرسول فإن توليتم فإنما على رسولنا البلاغ المبين.
Obey Allah and obey the messenger, but if you turn away, then the duty of our messenger is only to convey clearly.
الله لا إله إلا هو وعلى الله فليتوكل المؤمنون.
Allah, none has the right to be worshipped but He, and in Allah alone therefore let the believers put their trust.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا إن من أزواجكم وأولادكم عدوا لكم فاحذروهم وإن تعفوا وتصفحوا وتغفروا فإن الله غفور رحيم.
O you who believe, verily among your wives and your children there are enemies for you who may stop you from the obedience of Allah. Therefore beware of them. But if you pardon them and overlook and forgive their faults, then verily Allah is oft forgiving, most merciful.
إنما أموالكم وأولادكم فتنة والله عنده أجر عظيم.
Your wealth and your children are only a trial, whereas Allah, with Him is a great reward.
فاتقوا الله ما استطعتم واسمعوا وأطيعوا وأنفقوا خيرا لأنفسكم ومن يوق شح نفسه فأولئك هم المفلحون.
So keep your duty to Allah and fear Him as much as you can. Listen and obey and spend in charity. That is better for yourselves. And whosoever is saved from his own covetousness, then they are the successful ones.
إن تقرضوا الله قرضا حسنا يضاعفه لكم ويغفر لكم والله شكور حليم.
If you lend to Allah a goodly loan, He will double it for you and will forgive you. And Allah is most ready to appreciate and to reward, most forbearing.
عالم الغيب والشهادة العزيز الحكيم.
All knower of the unseen and seen, the Almighty, the All-Wise.